Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we are going to complete the story of Honest Chia. I hope you might have understood this story. So now I am going to explain you about moral of the story. The moral of this whole story is honesty is the best policy. Now honesty means being truthful. Being honest is the best policy means if we should be honest and truthful in our life, even in the bad situation, because honesty is the best tool for the success. If we want to be a successful person, and everybody wants to be a successful person, so we should be honest in our work. So this means honesty is the best policy. Now, let us remember what we have to remember. We are getting this lesson from the story that we should remember being honest means being truthful. An honest person does not lie, cheat, or take things that belong to others. An honest person always feel good. This I explain you here that being honest means being truthful. And those who are honest person or those who are truthful person, they do not tell lie. They do not cheat anyone. Though they do not want to take the thing of others. So if they do not do these things, they feel happy in their self. So whatever we have, we should be satisfied in that, and we should be always honest. Okay children, now I have prepared something for you to enjoy this chapter. I hope you all will enjoy it. This is the story about honest Jia. Jia and Sia were two sisters. They were very good, but they were naughty also. They finish all their homework quickly so that they can get time to play. One day, when Jia and Sia were playing inside the house with a ball, their mother came and told them not to play with the ball inside the house. Otherwise, something will break down. But Jia and Sia did not listen to their mother. They continued to play. They said, "We will be careful, mother." While playing the ball, Jia threw the ball with the force, and Sia could not catch that. The ball hit the cookie jar, and the jar fell down on the floor and broke down. Hearing this noise, mother came and she scolded them because she was very angry. She said, "I told you not to play with the ball inside the house, but none of you listened to me. Now who has done?" Mother asked to Jia. "Is it you, Jia?" Jia replied, "No, mother, it's not me." Then mother asked to Sia, "Is it you, Sia?" Sia also said, "No, mother, it's not me." They were silent in the room. Mother said, because mother was very angry, so she gave them punishment. She said, Since none of you is saying truth to me, you both will get the punishment. You both will not get the dinner tonight. Then mother went away from there. Jia and Sia was sat down and they were very sad. They thought that they should obey to the mother. Jia thought in herself that it was my mistake. I will go to the mother and tell to the truth that it was my mistake. Jia went outside where her mother was collecting broken pieces of the cookie jar. Jia said to her mother, "Mother, I am sorry. It was me who threw the ball with the force that hit the cookie jar. So you punish me. Please don't punish the Sia. It was not her mistake at all." Mother was silent. Sia also came outside. Now mother was very happy. Mother said to Jia, "Jia, I am happy because you told me the truth and you have admitted your mistake. It is always good to tell the truth. You should not hide anything to your parents." Now mother was happy, so she wanted to give them reward. Then mother said to Jia and Sia that I am very happy because Jia has accepted her mistake and said sorry. So I will give you dinner and I will also give you ice cream as a reward. Both Jia and Sia were very happy because they are getting ice cream also in the dinner. So this is the story, children, about honest Jia. Because Jia has accepted her mistake and said sorry to her mother, that is why she got the reward. So we should be always honest in our life. If we do mistake, then also we should accept it and we should say sorry to our parents or elders. Thank you.